Guys, see, I'm very angry at myself. Back then in my secondary school, I was busy. Please borrow me your biology note. Please borrow me your chemistry note. Please borrow me your this one. Please borrow me your that one. Let me copy. I want to become a medical doctor, but what I am today, a beginner forex, a newbie forex trader. Imagine that, like that. In fact, I don't even know the kind of friends that I made in my secondary school days. All of us were concentrated in reading books. Hi. Now I would have owned like 2 Lambos plus 1 cyber truck, written KokusFx on it, but still now I'm a newbie. Like, I'm very angry at myself. Back then, hey, bro, please borrow me your chemistry notes. Do you do that chemistry assignment? Do you do that biology assignment? Please borrow me. Mommy, I didn't take first position. I'm very paid. That was what I was busy doing in my secondary school. Time where I was used to learn forex. Now, see, look at Great Mega. The boy use his time well. Now he's doing well, enjoying his